Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching Money Clues from. So guys, I want to test this indicator right here. I want to see how the market is basically going to behave when we follow this indicator. It is called the accumulation distribution, and basically guys, I've talked about this indicator in my previous videos, and many traders came and told me do a video showing us how we can actually trade using this indicator. And basically guys, that is basically what I'm going to use. And this indicator, you can find it on TradingView, NinjaTrader, any charting platform that you want. You're going to find this indicator. The most important thing that I love about this indicator, it shows us exactly what we cannot see with our naked eyes. So for instance, right here we can see it is a consolidation, but as you watch closely, you come to understand it is a creation of a lower high right here and a lower low right here, something we cannot see with our naked eyes. So guys, when it comes to this kind of a market, you can be told to continue selling. Okay, when you go to this level as well, you got a V. Remember, a V formation tells us to look for a buying opportunity. Basically, as the market forms, it shows as a structure level has been broken. Now we are on our live market right here. I just want to see what is going to happen on live market, and that is basically what I want to test with you traders. Okay, and as you can see right here, the market is at our very crucial level, our resistance level. It's actually a resistance level because you can see price was really reacting to the level. Okay, I'm gonna draw it, and so guys are going to pay attention on that level. So what I do guys, I do use this indicator when there is a key level. You understand, when there is a key levels, that's when you're going to get better entries, or rather that's when you're going to find what is basically happened, because you understand on any point of interest we expect price to really react to that level unless there is news. So guys, I'm here waiting to see what the indicator is going to show us. Guys, as you can see as well, we have a liquidity sweep. So when we have liquidity sweep, price is basically closing below the purple line. So guys, what should we do at this given point? What should we pay attention to? There is a creation of a high. We are going to be really patient and see how the market is basically going to react. And basically guys, as you can see now, price has broken below it. After inducement guys, there was a creation of a high that we saw right here, and now the market has created, rather the indicator has shown us a double top. You understand? And so guys, we know when we have a double top, we're going to look for a selling opportunity. But guys, you're supposed to ask yourself, is this enough? I will wait and see how the market is basically going to behave once this live candlestick pattern closes. The indicator has given us a double top. Keep that in mind. We're going to see what is basically going to happen next. Keep in mind, we're paying attention on this high, which is basically this one right here. You understand? And so guys, I'm going to draw it simply because when price breaks above it, we are going to forget about taking our selling opportunity, and we'll be thinking of taking our buy orders. That's a high that are being shown by the indicator right here. And so guys, as you can look on our live market, or rather with actual candlestick pattern, I can conclude and say this is not an M formation that we all know. You understand? It is not visible with our naked eyes. So guys, let's see how the market is going to behave once this live candlestick pattern closes. These levels right here, they will guide us. You can see price really came to this level, but it rose again and touched our high. You understand? But it was unable to break above. So in this case, I am really convinced that we're going to look for a selling opportunity, simply because guys, the indicator is telling us once we got an M formation, there was a retest, and this is a retest that the indicator is showing us. But if you look closely on the retest guys, price did not at any given point break above these levels right here, or rather these highs right here, and this is basically confirmed that you're going to look for a selling opportunity. So I'm really convinced the market is going to sell at this given point, depending on the analysis from the indicator, combining it with extra knowledge that we have. And so guys, let's pay attention and have clarity and have answers right here with us. You can see for sure this is working perfectly, and we are really in the right direction, but we are on our low right here. So if you were selling, you could have targeted our bot level right here, and this is our low. But let's wait and see what is going to happen, and as well as we see what the indicator is going to show us. Price is really reacting to our support and low. Consolidation is taking place. But basically, guys, you can see when the market plots an M formation, like here, the market really sells until it got to our V shape right here, which can basically tell you the market is now trying to push to the upside. You understand? So that's how the indicator works. I don't know how you think about it, guys. It is basically the most important thing to pay attention to. This is our live market right here. Our price is basically reacting to this my support leg that has been created right here. And that's why you can see there is rejection of lower prices and so on and so forth. So guys, I can say it's good to pay attention on this indicator when you want to execute your trades, especially when you want to understand the chart patterns. You want to understand as well the structure of the market, because as well you can see when you look at the indicator, there was a creation of a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You understand? It's easy to understand. When you see it moving horizontally, that's a consolidation. Okay, so guys, I will remind you again, when you want to use this indicator, pay attention on point of interest levels. That can be your support and resistance, order block zones, that can be structure levels, that can be supply and demand levels. That's when you're going to have a clearer picture of what the market is basically going to show you. So guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video as well. And so guys, bye bye. I will see you in my next video.